इलाही तेरी चौखट पर भिखारी बन के आया हूँ, सरापा फक्र हूँ, इज्जो नदामत साथ लाया हूँ। इलाही तेरी चौखट पर भिखारी बन के आया हूँ, सरापा फक्र हूँ, इज्जो नदामत साथ लाया हूँ।
You know, maximum time people are just searching for you right now because either you are in Chicago.
I have not been around, yeah.
You went for Hajj recently as well.
That's right.
How was that experience?
Probably one of the most amazing experiences of my life. Very difficult to describe in words. The first time that you see the Kaaba and the whole experience of, so many people from different parts of the world speaking different languages, people of different colors, different creeds, different backgrounds, different societies are all converging for this one thing. It's quite a fascinating sight, and certainly it's a once in a lifetime experience, something very core and something very and probably I think for a Muslim it's one of the most important events of your life.
In fact, I think you've become like maybe a symbol of what should be an ideal son in India. And my mother told me in a very subtle manner that I just read about Amir has taken his mom for Hajj and all. बहुत अच्छी बात होती है and all. But there was a hint and all
hinting
that,
for you.
Exactly.
I'm really happy that I could do this for my mother. I'm very happy that I could take her. But I don't think that I have done even one fraction of a son's responsibility, because I think that what a mother goes through when she gives birth to a baby, the labor she goes through, the 9 months that she carries you, and then every moment that she looks after you after you're born, she carries you in your lap, and every breath that she takes, and every time she gets tired and she puts you down. What I have done does not even account for one of those breaths. Because what mothers do for us is incalculable, totally priceless. I think what I have done or what you can do or what any other son can do can never repay what our mothers have done for us. So the more you do, it's not enough.
इलाही तेरी चौखट पर भिखारी बन के आया हूँ।